In case you're using Kubernetes, I just wanted to bring this one up as a quick little change of pace. If you are using the default Kubernetes Helm, then you can have your data exposed. In many cases, Helm charts required no authentication, left exploitable ports open, and used weak or hard-coded passwords that were trivial to break. Now, the researchers here, who I won't try and pronounce their names, of Microsoft Defender for Cloud Research highlights 3 cases as examples of a broader security issue that puts Kubernetes workloads at risk. Now, I have long since said that Kubernetes was an idiotic, completely overcomplicated system that was entirely unnecessary. I've said that for a long time. People looked at me weird for about like a good solid year, especially colleagues. I wouldn't touch anything Kubernetes if I could possibly avoid it. I hated using it. And guess what? Textradamus, the prophet before you, was right. Before any of you even had the opportunity to be graced by my visual presence on your screens, embedded into your eyeballs. So what happens is that Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes, and charts are templates, blueprints for deploying apps on the platform, providing YAML files that define key resources needed to run an app. And when you do default configuration installs, right, kind of like this one. This is kind of a typical thing you'll see as you implement Kubernetes and Docker stuff. You're going to have a YAML file that tells the Kubernetes containers how to orchestrate and deploy and manage themselves. And then you're going to potentially, depending on your setup, you're going to have a bunch of other services underneath that, right, that are being deployed either alongside that or inside of that. And these default configurations are unfortunately risky. So if you're using Kubernetes out there, stay safe.